Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something a bit different. We all love a good cleaning hack, right? Those little tips and tricks that promise to make our lives easier and our homes sparkle. But not all tips are created equal. In fact, some cleaning tips, while well-intentioned, can actually do more harm than good. They might scratch surfaces, dull finishes, or even create more work for you in the long run. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about the worst cleaning tips out there. The ones you should avoid at all costs if you want to cherish and care for the items in your home. Let's get started. Vinegar. Oh, vinegar. It's often touted as a natural, all-purpose cleaning solution. It can be wonderful for cleaning windows and mirrors. However, we must proceed with caution. Vinegar is acidic. While great for breaking down mineral deposits, it can damage certain surfaces. Think of your beautiful granite countertops and marble tiles. Vinegar can dull their shine and etch the surface. And let's not forget our hardwood floors. Vinegar can strip away their finish, leaving them dull. So, before you reach for the vinegar, ask yourself, is this the right cleaning agent? Now, let's talk about two common household cleaners that should never, ever meet bleach and ammonia. I know it can be tempting to mix cleaners, thinking a stronger concoction will conquer any mess. But trust me, this is one combination that sparks, not joy. When bleach and ammonia combine, they create toxic chloramine vapors. These vapors are not something you want to invite into your home. Inhaling them can cause a whole host of problems, from coughing and wheezing to more serious respiratory issues. In extreme cases, it can even be fatal. So, please, my friends, keep these two cleaning agents far, far apart. Use one at a time and always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. And remember, a clean home should be a safe and healthy home. For generations, people have used newspapers to clean their windows, aiming for that sparkling, streak-free shine. But hold on a moment. Times have changed, and so have newspapers. Modern newspapers use more synthetic materials and less ink than in the past. This means they're not as effective at cleaning windows and are more likely to leave behind streaks and lint. Instead of resorting to newspapers, I encourage you to embrace the joy of a microfiber cloth. These cloths work wonders on windows and mirrors, leaving a beautiful streak-free finish. Another option is a squeegee, especially for larger windows. Remember, when it comes to cleaning, using the right tools can make all the difference. Ah, coffee. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee can spark so much joy in the morning. But don't use those grounds to freshen up a smelly sink. Coffee grounds can clog your pipes. Instead, add them to your compost bin. For a fresh sink, use baking soda and vinegar. Let it fizz, then flush with hot water. Your sink will be sparkling clean and free of odors. Olive oil is a wonderful thing. It adds flavor to our food and can even be beneficial for our skin. But for wooden furniture, olive oil is best kept in the kitchen. Olive oil can go rancid, leaving a sticky residue. Use a proper wood polish to care for and protect your furniture. It nourishes the wood, enhances beauty, and protects against dust and scratches. Toothpaste is designed to clean our teeth, not our headlights. While it's true that toothpaste contains mild abrasives that can remove plaque and stains from our teeth, these abrasives can actually scratch the delicate surface of your headlights. Over time, these scratches can make your headlights cloudy and reduce their effectiveness at night, which is not something you want when you're driving. Instead of reaching for the toothpaste, invest in a proper headlight restoration kit. These kits are specifically designed to clean and restore the clarity of your headlights, ensuring they shine brightly and keep you safe on the road. Remember, using the right tools for the job is essential. Our electronic devices have become extensions of ourselves. We use them to connect, create, and navigate our world. But as much as we love our phones, laptops, and televisions, we need to be mindful of how we clean their delicate screens. Using a window cleaner might seem like a quick and easy solution, but please, I urge you to resist the temptation. Window cleaners often contain harsh chemicals that can damage the special protective coatings on electronic screens. This can lead to streaks, discoloration, and even scratches. Instead, opt for a microfiber cloth, the superhero of cleaning tools. Lightly dampened with water. Gently wipe your screens to remove fingerprints and dust. And if you're dealing with more stubborn smudges, look for cleaning solutions specifically designed for electronics. Remember, a gentle approach is key to keeping our electronic companions happy and sparkling clean. Oh, ink stains. They seem to appear out of nowhere, leaving their mark on our clothes, furniture, and even our hands. And while it's true that hairspray was once a popular ink stain removal method, those days are long gone. Modern hairsprays contain very little alcohol, which was the key ingredient that helped break down ink stains. Instead of spritzing hairspray on your precious belongings, I recommend reaching for a more effective solution, rubbing alcohol. Simply apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol to a clean cloth and gently dab at the ink stain. You'll be amazed at how quickly it disappears. And for especially stubborn ink stains, there are dedicated ink removers available that can work wonders. Lemons are a breath of fresh air in the cleaning world. Their scent is invigorating, and their acidity can cut through grease and grime. But just like vinegar, we need to be mindful of their acidic nature. While lemons are fantastic for cleaning cutting boards and deodorizing microwaves, they can be too harsh for certain surfaces. Natural stone, for example, can be damaged by the citric acid in lemons. It can dull the shine and even etch the surface. And when it comes to fabrics, lemons can sometimes cause discoloration, especially on delicate materials. So before you start cleaning with lemons, take a moment to consider the surface you're about to clean. If you're unsure, it's always best to err on the side of caution and choose a gentler cleaning method. Baking soda is a true cleaning marvel. It can deodorize, scrub, and even soften water. But there's one material it doesn't get along with very well: aluminum. You see, baking soda can cause aluminum to oxidize, which can lead to a dull and discolored appearance. So instead of reaching for the baking soda when cleaning your aluminum pots, pans, or surfaces, opt for a gentler approach. A cleaner specifically formulated for aluminum will work wonders, restoring its shine without causing any damage. When it comes to cleaning, sometimes less is more. While it might seem easier to pour cleaning solutions directly onto surfaces, this can actually create more work for you in the long run. You see, when cleaning solutions aren't wiped away completely, they can leave behind a residue that attracts dirt and grime. This buildup can make surfaces look dull and streaky, and it can even damage certain materials over time. Instead of dousing your surfaces with cleaning solutions, embrace the power of a simple spray bottle and a microfiber cloth. Pour your cleaning solution into the spray bottle and mist the surface lightly. Then, use your microfiber cloth to wipe away the dirt and grime. Your surfaces will be sparkling clean, and you'll avoid any unwanted buildup. Hardwood floors add warmth and character to our homes. They deserve to be treated with care, and that includes being mindful of how much water we use when cleaning them. While it might be tempting to give our hardwood floors a good soaking, excess water is their worst enemy. Wood is naturally porous, which means it absorbs water, and when wood absorbs too much water, it can swell, warp, and even become damaged beyond repair. Instead of reaching for a soaking wet mop, opt for a damp mop instead. Wring out as much water as possible before each pass, and be sure to dry the floor immediately after mopping. By treating our hardwood floors with care and avoiding excess water, we can help them maintain their beauty and longevity for years to come. And there you have it, some of the worst cleaning tips that you should definitely avoid. I hope this video has inspired you to approach cleaning with a bit more mindfulness. Remember, cleaning your home should be about making it better, not causing damage or creating more work for yourself. Always do a little research before trying out a new cleaning hack. And remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Share your own cleaning tips or horror stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.